Okay guys, so this is where we are right now. I just fluffed the tree just for time's sake, because I don't want this video to be too long, so I just went ahead and added all the lights. It's not a pre-lit tree. I had to add all the lights, and some of them were not working, but it's all lit up now. I fluffed the tree. This is the tree that I got from my local thrift store for $40. It's an 8-foot, I think it's 5 feet or 6 feet wide tree. So this is what everything is looking like, and I kind of have some of the ornaments here on the ground. I still have tons of ornaments that I need to get out of this bin right here and this bin right here, and then this bin is filled with stuff that I purchased from Walmart from clearance, after Christmas clearance last year. So I have tons of stuff and ornaments that I think it all will fit in the tree, and I don't think I will have any holes, but I'm going to be doing some fun things in the tree and kind of like non-traditional things in the tree. So definitely you want to stay tuned, watch the video from beginning to end, because I am going to be doing some really cool things in this tree, you guys, and I am super excited about it. So let's go ahead and let's start. Let's get the decorating.
Think the weather's kind of cold, but you know you've got...
Okay guys, so I went ahead and cut the ribbons like 2 foot length, and I did it off camera because for sake of time, I'm trying to do all these things for sake of time, but I went ahead and I cut them, and now I'm just going to go ahead and add them onto the tree first. So I like to do my ribbons first, and then like my really big ornaments, and then my picks, and then I go ahead and add it all in. So being that this is such a large tree, we're gonna see how this goes, all right? But let's go ahead and do this. So as y'all can see, all my ornaments is laid out on the floor, all my picks. So I'm gonna go ahead and try adding all these in. I should have a step stool or a chair.
And hold, come along out and play, what a wonderful day.
So I really just take them, and I just put them in the branches like so. And like I kind of just alternate. I have a lot of these.
Your white cheeks are so hard to resist. Those red lips are longing for a kiss. Come along out and play, what a wonderful day. Christmas is almost here. Let's toast to a very good year. It's just you and me, chilling right under the tree. Stay outdoors, a different...
So like I mentioned in the beginning, you guys, I'm going to be doing some unconventional things in my tree this year, and you're going to see me put all sorts of things in my Christmas tree, and I just think that it adds to the woodland theme that I am aspiring to get. I love the way that this tree turned out. Like hands down, it is my favorite tree that I've created. I love all the different animals and creatures, and you know, a little bit of glam here and there, and it's just so chic, and I just love it. I love it so much. So definitely comment down below and let me know if you guys feel the same way, and how do you feel about this woodland themed Christmas tree. So if you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Shushana, and I do a lot of home decor, seasonal decor, cleaning videos, and lifestyle videos. If that's something that you're interested in, I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel. Also, double tap that bell so that you don't miss any of my notifications. Also, I want to get to know you, so leave a comment down below and let me know where you are watching from.
Kind of date I'm all yours and I can hardly wait. Come along, start the show, having fun in the snow. Your white smile is brightening up my day. Your blonde hair out of a fairy tale. Come along, start the show, having fun in the snow. Christmas is almost here. Let's toast to a very good year. It's just you and me, chilling right under the tree. Whoa, I love it.
So this is what the tree is looking like so far, you guys. What do you think? This is so very different for me, but I absolutely love it. I think that it is so cute. It is so like, I don't know. I don't even know what to call it, but it's just so dreamy. I love it so much. It reminds me of the forest, the woods, and because where I live in sort of like the mountains with the woods and everything, and I just think that this turned out so absolutely amazing. I love everything about it, the warm tones, the wood tones, the rustic feel, the glam. I mean, everything all in one. It's just so chic, and I just love the way that it turned out. I'm like on the edge of my seat because I want to know what you guys are thinking. I know this is very different for me, but I love the direction that I'm going in. If you guys notice, I am only decorating the sides and the front of the tree because the back of the tree, no one is going to see it. So I don't even waste my time putting things back there. It just doesn't even matter. But my husband was cracking me up because we were talking about the tree, and I took my kids' teddy bears and everything, and I threw them in the tree. And this one large teddy bear that you see in the front, he only has one eye. So my husband was cracking me up because he's like, why are you putting the one-eyed teddy bear in the tree? It's like, it gives it character, you know what I mean? So that's another tip. Like, you don't necessarily have to go out and purchase things. Like, find things around your home, shop your home and find things and just stuck it in the Christmas tree. Who says that a tree has to be one way? It's all according to what you see, to what you envision your decor to be. So go ahead, throw some teddy bears or Barbie dolls or whatever. I mean, I have signs, I have houses, I have teddy bears, I have a deer, I have lanterns, I have so many different things in this tree, and I think that's what made this tree such an amazing tree. It has character to it, it's beautiful, it's warm, it's cozy, and it's so very inviting. So definitely experiment with your decor and shop your home. I guarantee you will find something to add to your decor style. So I had to ask my husband to help me because I'm so short and this tree is massive, and of course he has to be playing around and the things that men do, right? They are so crazy. So here he is, just y'all. Anyway, so this is what the tree is looking like, you guys, and I love it so much. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and got some tips and inspiration from my Christmas tree decorating. I hope that you love it as much as I do, and let me know, talk to me down in the comment section, you guys. So stay tuned for more videos because I have tons of videos coming up. My next video is going to be a DIY video, so definitely stay tuned for that. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Thank you guys so much for watching today, for your support, and I love you guys. Remember, Jesus is the reason for the season. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.